What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Lovable to GitHub. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in lovable.dev, or you can type Lovable. So you will see the Lovable website with this icon. Click on this website and after that you will be redirected to this page of Lovable. So if you are new to Lovable, on the right side you will see the option of sign in or login. Just simply sign in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access Lovable. And after signing or logging in, click on your workspace and then click on settings on the right side, as you can see. After clicking on settings, go to the integrations. You can scroll down or you can hover down a bit, and then in the integration section, click on GitHub. After clicking on GitHub, you have the option of Connect GitHub. Click on that and then enter your GitHub credentials like your GitHub email and password. Entering your GitHub credentials, you will see this window and then click on authorize lovable.dev. After clicking on authorize lovable.dev, you will see this type of windows. And after, if you see this window, congratulations, your Lovable AI and GitHub are connected. Now from here, click on add organizations, and after that, go to all repositories if you want all the repositories in your Lovable AI, or if you want some selected repositories, click on only selected repositories. And after that, click on install and authorize, and then all your GitHub repositories will be connected to Lovable.ai. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.